So reMarkable is back in the news. They've just announced their first new product or feature of 2025, and it's called reMarkable Methods. Now they might have called it Methods, but what it really is templates and workbooks for your reMarkable and reMarkable Paper Pro devices. Today, I will very quickly go through what Methods is in detail, how to use it, and what it does, what it brings to the reMarkable user experience, and whether or not it's worth your time diving into. So first, what is it? Well, as I said, Methods is basically a template and workbook marketplace. Now, I say marketplace loosely because right now, at least, pretty much everything in here is just from reMarkable themselves, but I think I see a future path where other people will be able to distribute their own templates in here too. Don't quote me on that, it just seems like a natural progression. As of the time that I'm recording this video, there's everything from bullet journals to 2025 calendars to meeting minute templates, to-do templates, a whole bunch of useful layouts and workbooks and sheets that definitely should have been baked into the reMarkable user experience from day one, in my honest opinion, but it's great to see that it's now here in the form of this Methods functionality. So how does it work? Well, again, because this is a reMarkable product, they definitely take a lot of time and effort to make things really, really simple to do. Using Methods is easy. Just go to methods.remarkable.com or sign into your reMarkable account. Click on the Methods option. It takes you into essentially what is the quote-unquote marketplace landing page. You can sort by category along the top or see the most recent products. There you have some feature collections at the bottom, and they have an option to recommend additional pieces for the marketplace. So again, that's where I'm thinking that long-term, this will become something that everybody can contribute to, or at least vetted creators can contribute to. You can click on any of the templates or workbooks that you like to look at. There's a bunch of different pictures of each of them, a quick description of each one, what kind of file it is, what category it belongs to, and then there's an import button. And again, because reMarkable is all integrated, it's all their own stuff, clicking that literally drops it into your reMarkable account. It can immediately be accessed from your reMarkable 2 or reMarkable Paper Pro. The integration is really slick, really easy, really seamless. Absolutely no reason why anybody couldn't just hop into this, find a template they like, and start using it straight away. It's also worth pointing out, while we're talking about these files, that at least as of right now, everything that I'm seeing here in Methods is free. So that is great. However, you do need to have reMarkable Connect, the subscription service from reMarkable, to access Methods. So free to use the templates, but you do have to pay that small fee to gain access in the first place. So I went ahead, I've loaded up a couple of files onto my reMarkable Paper Pro. I loaded up the bullet journal, I loaded up the 2025 calendar. Both look and work great. Actually, one thing I noticed in the bullet journal was that there's actually some advanced functionality in the file. So there are actual links that jump you around the document. It's taking the experience to a new level. The only thing I'm going to knock these reMarkable templates for is, although they look really good on the computer, on the reMarkable Paper Pro, these cover colors are kind of washed out. You'd think that they would have honed this cover color to be exactly what would present really nicely on their premium new flagship device, but hey, I won't totally knock it because the rest of the dock is still really nicely laid out. And as of today, there are over 40 different templates, workbooks, and layouts available in Methods to download and test out on your reMarkable 2, reMarkable Paper Pro, whichever you have. Already quite a selection of templates, and again, they range in a whole bunch of different categories, ranging from planning to productivity to strategizing, note-taking, and general communication. There is a little bit of everything in here, I think, for everyone. reMarkable definitely trying to launch with a broad selection, a broad range of applications for these templates. All in all, I think in the long term, this will turn into a marketplace, open up so many more possibilities for what reMarkable can do, because although the software that comes loaded on the reMarkable devices does have some template options built in, there's nothing even close to what is here in Methods. So love to see that reMarkable is investing in the future. Again, I think some of this should have been baked in from day one, but at least we're getting it now. And it's good to see that the functionality of the device is going to continue to be elevated beyond just improving the hardware and coming out with a version with a color screen and stuff like that. Software improvements are always something that you hope you get when you buy a product like this from a smaller company. It's good to see that they are still following through and keeping up with that. So that's reMarkable Methods in a nutshell. I've been using it for a couple of days now. So far, so good. Really enjoying the added templates and functionality on my reMarkable Paper Pro. But what do you guys think? Are you a fan? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you agree with me and think that it should have been here from day one on the reMarkable software already? And do you love or hate the fact that it's tied to the Connect subscription service? Looking forward to have a conversation, as always, down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys again soon in the next video.